I drive big wheels, make big meals, I'm a big deal. And I'ma hug this road until I'm up a meal. I ride good, I eat good, so I sleep good. And if it's money on the road, then put it on the wood. All gas, no brakes, this a paper chase. I ain't worried about no beef, but put it on the plate. And if it's crossing state lines, I gotta up the price. Up all day and night, this a trucker's life.
Truck cooking with Trucker's Life Smothered, Oxtail over rice.
And we about to cook up some oxtails again. I haven't had them in a while, so it's my time. We're gonna put some salt. These come out better than that. Put some salt. I'm about to cook up this whole bag right now, so I'm about to have some oxtail for a few days. Some white pepper. Some garlic. Some ajo. Pinche ajo. Yeah, this is truck cooking again, y'all. I'm actually at a pickup waiting for them to call me. Figured I'd get this started at least. And then we're gonna go with some Tony Sashery, spice and herbs. We want this seasoned nice and well. And we just gonna mix it in the bag. Like that. All right, we're back. And we're gonna put these in. Okay. We'll put the big one. Get that motherfucker, boy. Yeah, I got a little bit of oil in the pan. We're gonna get them seared on the outside, and then we're gonna turn the tip down and let them just tenderize. I forgot one thing. I forgot my shallots. Sprinkle my shallots in there. It's all flavor. Trust me, I got more. The rest gonna go in, but it's stages to this, y'all. Alright, we got the mirepoix right here. Of course, already chopped. Just gonna put it right in the oil for the fat and grease and the beautiful stuff. Put it right in there. This is, of course, an onion, celery, and carrots. Then of course we're gonna come over here to the plate, put the rest of these shallots in, put the rest of those in there, and we're gonna let these cook through. Push that around. Yes, I'm still using plastic forks. Why not? It's easier. stuff like this. So you just kind of mix it around, get all that flavors in there. Turn the heat up a little bit. All right, we back, and we took the oxtails out to get the gravy going, and we're gonna put all this in here. Okay, not all of it. Let it be a little bit. Then we're gonna mix this around, get this nice and incorporated. Then we're gonna get this to a boil, and then put the oxtails back in, because we don't want the oxtails to put into cold liquid. This is gonna be delicious, y'all. I'm excited. It's got some of the burnt pieces in it, which to me, I like a little bit of the burnt onions and garlic in there. Woo! But not only are we doing that, alrighty, putting a bunch of these mushrooms in. I love mushrooms in my gravy. There we go. And it's about right. That right there. We're gonna get this to a boil, and I'll holler at y'all. Alright, y'all. Let me move that back out the way. We're gonna put these oxtails back in. That big hockey puck right there. Oh yeah. I want this one to be at the bottom because I'm kind of at an angle, so I want this to be where most of the fluid, the big ones I want at the bottom. Do these mushrooms. Y'all see this thing? Y'all see what I'm doing in a big rig? Come on now. I need some respect. Put some respect on my name. And then we're gonna cover it. Turn it down to about 200. And we're gonna cover it and be about Alright, y'all, hold on. Okay, we're gonna take some of these oxtails. I'm gonna spoon some of that gravy into that. And we'll be done. Hey, y'all. Hey, Trucker's Life. Hold on just a sec. I gotta use my spoon to scoop that in there. I only got one hand. What y'all think? That's dinner tonight? Hey, we did it. 6 hours of cooking time. But hey, it's Trucker's Life. And hey, we gone.
Stand.
I drive big wheels, make big meals, I'm a big deal. And I'ma hug this road until I'm up a meal. I ride good, I eat good, so I sleep good. And if it's money on the road, then put it on the wood. All gas, no brakes, this a paper chase. I ain't worried about no beef, but put it on the plate. And if it's crossing state lines, I gotta up the price. Up all day and night, this a trucker's life.